If you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe and press the bell icon for new notifications so that you don't miss any new videos. Hello everyone, welcome to Kavita's Kitchen and Travel. Today I am going to show you how to prepare Akki Shavige Uppittu. Akki Shavige Uppittu is very simple to prepare and taste delicious. You can eat it as a breakfast or evening snack. Now let's see what all ingredients we need to prepare Akki Shavige. Chopped onion. Onion is optional. Finely chopped coriander leaves, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, salt to taste, sugar, urad dal, roasted peanut, finely chopped green chili and dry red chili, finely chopped ginger, curry leaves, lemon, asafoetida and Akki Shavige or rice noodles. Let's start the preparation. Keep 2 to 3 glasses of water for boiling. Once the water starts boiling, we have to add Akki Shavige or rice noodles. Close the lid and allow it to cook for 5 to 6 minutes. It's almost 6 minutes now. Rice noodles have cooked properly. Switch off the stove. I am going to strain this water. I am going to discard this water. Allow this rice noodles to cool completely. While cooking rice noodles, you can add salt to taste. Otherwise, you can add while seasoning. Add 1 teaspoon of oil. Allow this to cool completely. Rice noodles have cooled completely. Now we can prepare the seasoning. Keep one pan for heating. Adding 1 to 2 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, asafoetida, curry leaves, green chili and dry red chili, finely chopped ginger, some urad dal. Roast everything for few seconds until urad dal becomes golden brown. Keep stove heat to medium. Now it's time to add finely chopped onion. Onion is optional. If you don't eat onion, you can skip the onion. Once you see onions become translucent, we have to add roasted peanuts. If you don't have roasted peanuts, then you have to add peanuts before adding onion. Mix everything well. Now it's time to add cooked rice noodles. If you would like to add turmeric powder, you can add to this seasoning. Add salt to taste, sugar, lemon juice. Now slowly we have to mix everything well. If you have a cooktop like this, you can switch off the stove and mix it well. Or you can keep stove heat to low and mix everything well. Add finely chopped coriander leaves. Close the lid and allow it to rest for 5 to 8 minutes. It's almost 5 minutes now. Let's open the lid. Mix everything well one more time. Akki Shavige Uppittu is ready to serve. Simple and tasty Akki Shavige Uppittu is ready to eat. If you make it little colorful, you can add turmeric powder as well. If you don't want to add onions in this breakfast, you can skip adding onions. Please do try this at home and let me know your feedback. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye. Take care.